I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather all necessary tools, such as a socket set, a serpentine belt tool, and a new alternator. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. This crucial safety step protects you and your vehicle's electrical system during the repair process. With the battery disconnected, it's time to remove the serpentine belt. Use a serpentine belt tool to release the tension from the idler pulley, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator. Next, disconnect the electrical wiring, usually a main power cable and a smaller connector. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets, which typically involves 2 or 3 bolts. Now, carefully position the new alternator into the engine bay and align it with the mounting brackets. Insert and tighten the mounting bolts, ensuring they are secure but not over-tightened. Reconnect the main power cable and the smaller electrical connector to the new unit. Double-check all connections to ensure they are firm and properly seated before proceeding. This ensures a reliable electrical connection. Carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, ensuring it's correctly seated. Use the tensioner tool to create slack, then release it to apply proper tension. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your vehicle and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. If the light is off, your new alternator is likely working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Allow the engine to run for a few minutes to confirm stable voltage, ideally between 13.5 and 14.8 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.